Tip number 1. Personalize your Windows experience. For that, right click on the desktop and click on Personalize button. Here, the settings menu shows a list of items where you can change background color, themes and even fonts which are used in Windows. So let me just go through themes and select one for you. Here I can select this mountain theme with 20 images. It is a light theme, but if I want to change it to dark theme, I can do that as well in colors. Just go to colors and select the mode to be dark. You see there is a particular color to this button. I can change this by using the accent color. For example, I want to use turquoise. I'll just click on it and the background of the button changes to turquoise. Also, there are many parts where this color is being used, such as in calendar to show today's date. Tip number 2. Trackpad and multi-finger gestures. Right click on your start menu and go to settings. Then go to Bluetooth and devices. Scroll down and select touchpad. Here you can change the 3-finger gestures and 4-finger gestures as well. The default settings are such that with 3 fingers at the trackpad, swiping up gives you the multitasking view, swiping down gives you the desktop, swiping right or left allows you to switch through the apps. Similarly, with 4-finger gestures, if you scroll up, you can see the multitasking view where you can see multiple desktops and switch between them. Then if you scroll down with 4 fingers, it again gets you back to the desktop. Also, you can switch between desktops by swiping right using 4 fingers or left. Furthermore, you can change all of these gestures with each 3-finger and 4-finger support. For example, if I want to switch the desktops by swiping up, I can select it. Even there are many other options available which you can customize as per your requirement. Tip number 3. Utilize snap layouts and snap groups. Windows 11 introduces improved window management features that make multitasking a breeze. Use snap layouts to organize your windows into predefined templates. Let me just show you. Here I have a Chrome browser window. With the snap layouts, I can position it anywhere I want on the screen. Then you can create groups or custom layouts, and with snap groups, you can switch between groups or apps or websites, allowing you to pick up right where you left off. It is all about optimizing your workflow. Tip number 4. Improve your Windows performance by 30%. For that, right click on your start menu and go to System. Here, click on Advanced System Settings and under Performance, click on Settings. Here you can either choose for best performance or best appearance. Choosing for best performance, it disables all the graphics and animations and improves the performance by 30%. Click on OK, and after a few seconds, you will see that your Windows has become snappier. Tip number 5. Take advantage of Windows 11's virtual desktops. Virtual desktops provide a clutter-free environment, allowing you to group related apps and tasks. Simply click on the Task View button or swipe up using 3 fingers on your trackpad. Here, the apps opened on desktop 1 will not interfere with the apps open on desktop 2. To change between the desktops, you can either select and click on one or use your 4-finger gestures to simply swipe between the desktop from anywhere. That's it for today's top tips and tricks for Windows 11. We have only scratched the surface of what this incredible operating system has to offer. So keep exploring, stay curious, and unlock the full potential of Windows 11. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell to stay updated.